One of the pioneers in driving safer, greener and more connected solutions for the automotive sector. Aptiv, formerly known as Delphi Automotive Systems, is a global technology company that's moving mobility forward through designing, engineering and enabling solutions to bring connectivity, smart cities and autonomous vehicles to life. Aptiv's culture of innovation in action and its collaborative spirit have been a constant source for breakthrough inventions, propelling the automotive industry's journey. Headquartered in Dublin, Aptiv operates 14 global technical centers with over 16,000 engineers, 6,000 focused on software, 109 manufacturing sites spread across 45 countries, employing over 150,000 people. We understand the next level of autonomous driving will trigger far higher software-enabled features, which will demand even greater computing power and high-speed data transmission. That's why we are leading the way in providing upgradable high-speed sensing and real-time networking systems in vehicles. We enable everything from sensors and cameras to radar and engine controls through proven expertise in power and signal distribution, over-the-air data exchange, vehicle connectivity and sensor technologies. We at Aptiv are looking beyond connected and self-driving vehicles and towards a world in which vehicles are like advanced computing platforms, capable of gathering, analyzing, interpreting, integrating and sharing vast amounts of data to make mobility better than ever. Essentially, we are enabling a future mobility ecosystem and ensuring secure data flow between vehicles, infrastructure and the cloud by delivering the brain and the nervous system within a vehicle. In India, Aptiv has two segments comprising of 3 business units with 5 manufacturing plants located across Dharuheda, Pune, Kochi and Chennai. 3 tech centers located at Bengaluru, Pune and Chennai. 31 patents, 206 record of inventions and an employee base of over 3,000, including over 1,100 engineers. Customer relationships are accorded the highest priority at Aptiv. We work closely with all Indian and international OEMs such as Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, Mahindra, Ashok Leyland, Volkswagen, Ford, Renault, Nissan, Fiat Chrysler, PSA, Daimler, Hyundai, VE Commercial Vehicles, MG Motors, Hero Motors, TVS, Bajaj, etc. Of its business units, Aptiv's Advanced Safety and User Experience segment delivers cutting-edge products, including body and chassis domain control module, passive keyless entry and immobilizer systems, rear view camera and surround view cameras, exciting infotainment and radio units and advanced cluster displays. Leveraging on global expertise along with a sharp focus on localization, these products are designed and developed in the Technical Center in India and produced in Aptiv's best-in-class manufacturing facility with a single-digit ppm. Our Technical Center in Bengaluru, housing more than 1,000 engineers, are involved in over 75 major product programs at any given point in time for customers in US, Europe and Asia Pacific's requirements. As an R&D powerhouse for Aptiv's cutting-edge technology products, our engineers work on radars, cameras and fusion technologies, next-gen infotainment and display products, and besides doubling up as the global center of competence for digital validation of electronics products, Aptiv's electrical distribution systems acts as the nervous system of vehicles, providing complete electrical architecture systems, integrating wires, cable assemblies, electrical centers and connection systems. In India, Aptiv works as a complete service supplier, having full and leading capabilities to design, develop and supply the products and solutions to various customers within India. Due to increasing in-vehicle features, electrical requirements along with the importance of signal transmission within microseconds for enhanced reliability, the industry is moving at a rapid pace. To cater to this, Aptiv Electrical Distribution Systems has 3 world-class manufacturing footprints in India, complete in all respects, right from the receiving area till final shipping. We also have a technical center co-located to support the Asia-Pacific region for product engineering and manufacturing engineering activities. Aptiv's connection system has a truly ahead-of-the-curve manufacturing facility with global connectivity and world-class capabilities, which are not just sufficient for Indian requirements, but cater to global requirements in the areas of component design, engineering and manufacturing, with complete backward integration for design and development of molds and tools, along with validation and metrology capabilities for multiple requirements. The facility manufactures sealed and unsealed connectors, housings and retainers for airbag and SRS products, including tailor-made SRS jumper harnesses for pre-tensioner and all airbag applications, custom-made MEPA header products, high-speed data cable assemblies and electrical centers. Our engineering center in Chennai offers a complete cycle of product development activities from concept to development, including prototyping, testing and validation, benefiting customers in India as well as in global markets. The manufacturing system design for India is developed in accordance to local manufacturing conditions, but completely integrating Aptiv's global best practices. All Aptiv plants follow the lean production system, comprising of Kanban-based pull flow with visual control systems, using tools like QRQC, SMED, TPM, Hoshin, 5S, etc. With a solid design, development and production base, Aptiv in India continues to redefine the automotive industry with its real-world innovations and drive our planet towards a safer, greener, and more connected and mobile future. Aptiv.